Jamrock Rising, a poetic journey through life, legacy, and real estate. By Jamaica Homes. Published on September 11th, 2025. The opening welcome to Jamrock. The refrain still sings. 2 decades on, its truth still clings. Not just a lyric, but a mirror held high, an island of beauty where hope will not die. Here lies Jamaica, contradiction and grace, where hardship and laughter share the same space. Where villas kiss the coastline, glittering and grand, and markets beat with voices, the pulse of the land. 2. The contradiction, life here is contrast, layered and deep. The roads of the rich run past homes that weep. 5-star towers rise high in the sky, while parishes nearby ask government why. Yet through the struggle, a fire persists, a resilience fierce, impossible to miss. As Dean Jones, founder of Jamaica Homes, says with clarity clear, to understand Jamaica, you must embrace both sides. The triumph and the trial are always near. 3. A poem of return. Jamrock is rice and peas on a Sunday table, stories of kin, as long as they're able. Jamrock is patois, markets alive. It is where memory and present both survive. For those abroad, the pull is profound. Home is not lost, it waits to be found. It's not just a house, a deed, or a loan. It's identity, legacy, the soil you own. The pull of Jamaica is powerful, Jones declares. It isn't about bricks, but the life it shares. People come back not just to buy, but to reclaim a rhythm they can't deny. 4. In 2005, when Marley sang, the market was cautious, banks tightly rang. Interest rates towering, financing slim. Overseas investors hesitant to swim. But time has shifted the island's face. Infrastructure now quickens the pace. Kingston grows towers, Montego expands. Ocho Rios glitters with investor hands. Highways stretch across once distant zones. Diaspora buyers reclaim ancestral homes. Tourism flourishes, villas in demand, while Airbnbs dot the coastline strand. Yet challenges remain, as they always will. Affordability lags, disputes to distill. The market is promise, but not a quick race. Jones reminds us with measured grace. Patience and respect are the keys to last. Real estate here is legacy cast. Beyond the headlines. Outside observers, papers abroad, see only the violence, the statistics flawed. But Jamaica is more than a headline's bite. It's mornings of roosters, it's firefly light. It's Miss Lou in the schoolyard, her poems recited. It's carnival streets where the nation is united. It's Portland shores where the sea winds play. It's joy that outshines what the papers say. Jamaica is contradictions, Jones reflects with pride. But in those contradictions, culture abides. The frustrations exist, bureaucracy, strife. But the joy outweighs them. That's Jamaican life. The investor's dilemma. Investors arrive with plans in their hands, eyeing commercial lots. Beachfront strands. Some seek returns, others a place, to root their children, to give them grace. But real estate here is not without weight. Titles and volumes determine fate. Land disputes simmer, prices climb high, mortgages lengthy, approvals run dry. Yet through the challenge, the promise is clear. Build with respect, and a future appears. Every house tells a story, Jones explains. It's roots for a family, not just financial gains. For locals, for diaspora, for those who believe. Jamaica is legacy, that's what we achieve. 7. Jamrock in verse. Jamrock is dawn on a Kingston street, the baseline heavy, the air thick with heat. Jamrock is mango trees heavy with fruit, a fisherman's song, a nyabingi flute. Jamrock is laughter despite the pain, the promise of sunshine after the rain. It is contradictions woven tight, a place of struggle, a place of light. 8. Real and raw. The truth cannot hide, crime remains. Politics shifts with election games. Infrastructure gaps leave scars behind. But none of these break the Jamaican mind. This is not paradise wrapped in a bow. It's real, it's raw, it forces you to grow. It's beauty and chaos, side by side. It's frustration and freedom, colliding with pride. And still, They return, the children abroad, investing in futures their parents once saw, some for a villa, some for a home, each transaction a seed that's sown. L. Opacity. I. The closing vision. To live in Jamaica is to live with both, the risk and the promise, the fear and the oath. It asks for patience, it asks for care, but rewards with a richness beyond compare. As Jones concludes, his words ring strong. Jamaica is not just a market where you belong. It's a movement, a story, a song in the air. Every home built is a legacy shared. So welcome to Jamrock, where futures are spun, where contradictions dance, and dreams are begun, where beauty is tangled with hardship and fight, but resilience ensures the flame burns bright. Welcome to Jamrock, the island of song, the place where the heart has always belonged. Here is the struggle, here is the grace, here is the soul of a people, a place. For the full story behind this poetic journey, visit Welcome to Jamrock, living in Jamaica and understanding its real estate.